Okay, we are working on our beautiful shower. There's Jesse, my handsome husband and extraordinaire house home builder. Okay, so we are getting ready to hang our shower, and these are porcelain tiles, so we're having to drill holes. So we had to order some diamond drill bits. What are these? 3/4, half inch, what?
Quarter inch.
Quarter inch drill bits. So, yeah, here we go. I don't know if you can see, but
Start at a 45-degree angle.
it says start at a 45-degree angle if you didn't hear them. Spray with some water. Has it gone through?
I think it did. Yeah.
So you have to be patient and not push too hard and let the drill bit do the work for you.
Not quite there. There it goes.
There it goes. These are kind of thick tiles.
Can you show them out what we're doing over here?
So here's what we're doing. These will hang these super heavy glass doors. Anyway, it's coming along. We still have to grout around their gold trim and right here on the edge, and then hang some tiles at the top. But and do trim around the top. We're gonna glue some white trim just because everything wasn't perfectly square, and it's just how it works out. Anyway, I can't wait to show you all the finished product.